Alright, we're going to take a quick look now at how to run a report on attendance over a date range. So I'm logged in as a school principal, and I'm going to come up here to the attendance zoom up here in the top right. And when I click on that, by default it opens to the incident view. What we want to do is we want to export a whole set of incidents. So I'm going to go ahead and click the export button here. And you'll notice that in the latest user interface, it allows me to choose my date range. So let's go, I don't know, all the way back to the beginning of January as an example. So here are all of the absences and all of the attendance incidents from January through to today. When I click export, it goes ahead and produces a CSV file for me that is going to open up in Excel. And just so we can see what that looks like, I'm going to move this window here. You'll notice that the export shows me all the details. What is the incident date, who is the student, and what is the student number. As I scroll across, you'll see who is the teacher that reported that incident, what is the reason code that was assigned. So all that data is right here, and if we want to sort by date or sort by student, it's all right there available to us. And that's it. Thanks.